Good morning, kids. Today I will teach you Republic Day craft. Okay, today you will learn paper bird. So the required material is I have taken 3 color sheet, your tricolor sheet, orange, green and white, and 1 kulfi stick. You can take ice cream stick or anything, any stick you can take. Pencil, your scissors, Fevicol, 2 googly eyes and small piece of brown paper. So let's start. See, first of all, take orange paper and fold it half like this. Now we'll make a bird body part. First of all, just turn it around like this and make a big C like this. Big C. Now what you have to make a curve like this and draw like this. Now what you have to do, you have to cut this. See, this 2 part. Now same way we'll cut white part, fold it half, and according to this you have to cut almost, see, this much part. So I will tell you how to cut this. Again make a C like this and extend this line like this, curve and join this. Okay, now cut it. See, this is also ready. Now we'll cut green part. The green part will be smaller than this. See, almost this size. Okay, so fold the paper again so that we can get 2 sides of the bird. Now again we'll make this C and extend this like this and curve from here like this. Okay, cut it now. See, our green part is also ready. So now what you have to do is put 1 part there like this. 1 is for back and 1 is for front. This is for the front. Now what you have to do, you have to paste this here. First of all, you paste white paper. See, paste this like this, and over this you have to paste green paper. Okay, same way you have to paste this. But see, this is the back side. See, so you have to paste it here this way. This way. Okay. Now we'll paste googly eyes like this. Now we'll join this. What you have to do, put this stick here, Fevicol, both side, on the both side of the stick, and see, in the center just paste this like this. Okay, same way we'll put Fevicol here. Now see, paste this side also. See, both the sides. Now take brown paper, fold it, and cut a triangle shape like this. Now fix this here like this. Okay, see, your bird is ready. And happy Republic Day. Share in your class group and make it neatly. Okay, bye, take care.